Actually, my family didn't want to make me a cricketer, and but I wanted this a lot. So they wanted to see as a educational sector. Just that's why they didn't allow me to play. So I can't play. My name is Mahmoud Hassan Robin. Basically, I'm from Kishorganj, but now I am living at English Fantasy in Mohammadpur. There is a lot of likes and dislikes in every person's life, and I'm not exception. So I'm a sports lover, and I like cricket most. From my childhood, always I wanted to be a cricketer, but for the journey of life, I couldn't make it happen. Well, inside the country, I like most Mashrafi bin Mortaza, and outside the country, I like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Dale Steyn, and Mitchell Starc. If I want to share that about Mashrafi bin Mortaza, you all know that he was a captain in Bangladesh, and we say him one of the greatest captain in the history of Bangladesh cricket. And I love him for his personality as well as his captaincy, because he is so cool. He can take decision in any situation, and he can manage all the situation of cricket. That's why I like him most. I want to say about Virat Kohli. I don't think that I need to say about him. He has a great player in not only in India but also whole world. He can play great, and the shot he can play is just awesome. From Virat Kohli, I like most his cover drive, and his cover drive just awesome. And I try to make this shot. Basically, I'm a pace bowler, but I also enjoy to bat, and I'm a pace bowler, so I like pace bowling. When I was in class 9, I got chance in a school cricket tournament for a team, and I played 3 matches in our district stadium. And after playing there, I got chance in Kishorganj district team, Mymensingh division, Dhaka North division, and Chattogram division under 16 cricket team. So actually, my family didn't want to make me a cricketer, and but I wanted this a lot. So they wanted to see as a educational sector. Just that's why they didn't allow me to play. So I can't play. Okay, so I got chance in under 16 division level when I was in only class 10, and now I have completed my HSC level. So I think if I continue my playing my cricket career, then I think I will be now in DPL, that means Dhaka Premier League, which is before the BPL. From my opinion, I think we should follow our dreams, because it gives us mental peace, and mental peace is important at this present moment. And now, actually, recently I've completed my HSC level, and I am intended to go to abroad for completing my bachelor degree. That's why I want to learn English, and I want to give my PT exam so that I can get a good score and I can avail myself to study in abroad. Okay, that's all about me for the time being today. Thank you so much.